Marwah, what is... I don't know. Let's go to Mama.
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought it was all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel. Then he for his bullet bread and tuppence for a needle. That's the way the
What happened, kids?
Mama, I don't know what happened to us. Mama.
Oh. What have you to eat in?
I don't know, Mama.
Don't worry. Drink some water and you'll be fine. Take this. Come here, I'll give you two. Drink some water and you'll be fine. See, it'll be fine now. Oh.
Mama, it has begun again.
Let's try something else now. Well, try to hold your nose like this for 2 minutes. Now release. See, it'll be fine now. Oh, it started again. What did you to eat?
Mama, we ate a candy.
Ate a candy? Where did you get it? Tell me, kids, where did you eat it from?
Mama, Mama, Uncle gave the candy.
Uncle gave it? Which uncle gave it? The one who stays here always. Children, I've told you many times to never take anything from a stranger. Then, why did you eat that candy?
Mama, he has become our friend.
Became your friend?
Yes, Mama. Uncle became our friend.
Oh, kids. If that uncle had become your friend, he would have never given you this bad candy. If a stranger tells you to become their friend and eat something they offer, never listen to them. They'll always give you something that'll harm you. Look, if he had given you something worse, and if something had happened, what could have we done? After today, you'll never befriend a stranger and eat something from them, okay, kids?
Okay.
Now I'll go and deal with that stranger properly.
We'll deal with the uncle.
Wait, I'll come too.
Yes, I'm coming home. Make something sweet. I really want to eat something sweet.
Uncle prepared to eat some fists before anything sweet.
Who was that?
Look over here, Uncle.
Oh, it's you too. Looks like they found out. Run. Children, where are you going with all this? Uncle came to you.
To thank you for that candy you gave us.
Huh?
I heard you distribute candies among kids.
You won't give any candies after today. Yes, Uncle.
There's only one way to save myself. Run.
No, Uncle.
Ah, oh no. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Ah, oh no. Kids, stop. Stop, please.
Hit him again, and again, and again, and again.
Good job, Abdul Rahman. Hit him again and again.
Oh man, I have to get up and run away.